I'm going to do a DIY, ignore my dog, DIY cushion wrap pillowcase. Long story short, I hate these pillows. Anyone who's watched my vlogs would know that my sofa's not the prettiest, but I can't complain. It was donated. Thank you. But it's just, these are ugly. They're so ugly. And I wanted to donate them and buy some new ones. And my parents, who are very matchy-matchy, were like, no, you can't donate it. You know, it goes with the sofa. I was like, fine. I'll find another way. So I decided I'll make some pillowcases, which wasn't my idea. My friend was the one who came up with the brilliant idea. And I'm like, thank you. Why didn't I think of that? But what I want to do is mix it up. Obviously, I have two different colors. This fabric, forgot the name of it, but it's a very loose fabric. And it was on sale at Hobby Lobby and I bought it. And what I thought would be fun is to, of course, make every pillow different. But two of these pillows is going to be a cushion wrap pillowcase. I saw it in a magazine, took a picture of it because I'm a cheap ass, and got the instructions, and now I'm going to teach you how to do it. This should be fun. Alright guys, so first step is to do is, of course, get your fabric and your pillow. They want you to measure your pillow and your fabric, right? You want to make sure it folds really well. And you're going to get your fabric and you're going to fold it. And then on the edges, what you want to do, this might be a little too long, but I like it long. I feel like you can play around with it. You're going to get your fabrics and you're going to fold it in. It says in the airplane, so if you have a cotton print, it's going to be nice and crisp. This is like a loosey-goosey. You're just going to do that. And then you make a little knot. And what it says for you to do after making your little knot is to hide these edges inside. So it'll be a little knot. But as you can see, these are all frayed. So we got to fix that. And that's why I have my serger. So if you don't have a serger, you can get your sewing machine and do a zigzag. Not the end of the world. So we're going to serge really quickly. Alright, so now it's just tie it up for good now. So I have everything serged, we have my pillow in the middle, and let's tie this baby. First, we got our edges, a little slight air pouring fold. We got this beautiful side pulled together. Here we go, then we tie it. And we got our pillow. I didn't have too much fabric, but the goal is to have your little ends tucked in the back. So I'm tucking it in kind of right here in the middle of it. You can still kind of see the serger thread, but that's fine. At least for me it is. There we go, we hit it. Ta-da! All right, we got two pillows down. Ta-da! And we got two more to go. But it's really quite simple. You just tie a knot and keep it in. And I don't know about you, but if you compare the pillows, not only is it prettier, it actually even looks bigger. Like, I don't know, maybe it's the fabric. But alright, stay tuned for more videos where I'll be doing different pillowcases. Thanks for watching. Bye.